Imagine a cross-functional development team who live and breathe agile. Clean code, DevOps and DevSecOps practices, where they have all the tools to get stuff done, where they aren't distracted by noise nor the chaos that may surround them. No hierarchy, all equals. No passengers, all experts. No distractions, everyone focused on doing what they do best. I think you know where we're heading with this. You guessed it. That's Patient Zero. Teams are self-managing and empowered, where expertise is valued, voices are heard, creating lasting outcomes alongside our customers. Our teams are only as strong as the sum of its parts, and that's why we work with some of the best and brightest in their fields. So, if you want to pack in with the best of the best, if you've got the right stuff, if you're ready to change the game, then come and join our team and allow your project to take off. Patient Zero. Seeing further, taking you there.